Germany 40 and FTSE 100 rallied strong yesterday, and what a good move what we had seen. And today again they started the day on a strongly bullish note. S&P also now trading at the record levels. Nasdaq trading at the record levels. All of them traded bullish. The US 30 was also not far behind and now trying to catch up. What to expect from these five major indices today? S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany 40 and FTSE 100. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. In this one single update, we'll analyze all the five instruments one by one and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into S&P followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Lastly, Germany 40 and FTSE 100 was still. S&P breached past the previous resistance at 6700. Yes, these were the levels from which we had seen bearishness prevailing, and now it has breached this. It is trading bullish here. And if you look at the hourly chart, it is yet not showing signs of exhaustion. See the 5-period moving average offering it a very good support. So today, if you see S&P trading above 6726 levels, you can stay with the buys above 6726. What you can look forward to, we can in fact expect it to move towards 6740. See, this is the consolidation. If it gives you a breakout, this might deliver a stronger move. Moving average is trading with divergence, is staying bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top. And if you look at the MACD, this is almost hit the waves here. It hit the top of the wave here. Wait for it to converge, crossover for sell. RSI is staying slightly overbought as well. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, since retracement, see this is the wave it is delivering, rise, retracement, rise. It could start retracing, but for this to confirm, we have to see S&P trading below 6700 mark again, and that could be the potential sign of reversal, which could take it towards 6680 and 6650 levels here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI at the top as well. On the 3 hour, similar observation here. Yes, if it delivers a breakout move beyond 6726, look what it is doing. Rise, slight pullback, rise, slight pullback, and then it may continue on the upside from here. So you have to wait for it to stay beyond 6726 and then expect 6736, 6740 as the first target here. Possibility is there. The moving average is starting to diverge. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI is sitting at the top here. On the 4 hour charts, and more or less similar observation. See, it has formed a good support trying to break out here, and if it does deliver a breakout here, we might see stronger move on the upside. Notice the bands have started to expand, and see after the rise it is consolidating. Once it delivers a breakout, it might show a stronger move, though things are getting slightly overbought, but it is not giving any signs of bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at the top here. And on the daily, now see on the daily charts, it's an exponential rise. It is looking upwards, and see it has delivered this double, it has breached past this double top levels, which is very crucial. It appears now we might see it heading towards the highs, but for this to happen, I'll wait for it to now stay beyond first 6726, then 6740 zone. Staying above this, it is going to deliver a massive up move here. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD trying to cross over again for a buy, and the RSI getting overbought here. So now what you can do, I'll recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 6726. Expect 6736.38 as the first target zone, 6750 as the next. If at all it stays beyond 6750, stay bullish for 6772 and then 6800 mark the next target. And though appears a distant target, but achievable as well. On the downside, I do not see it breaking beyond 6800 soon. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 6714 levels. And see, it is going to be pretty important for S&P to trade below 6700 mark now. Any drop below 6700 should confirm the next move towards 6680 and then 6660, 6640. Till 6640, it's not yet bearish. Only reversal confirmation is if you see S&P below 6640. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 now trading above the crucial mark at 24,800. Previously, we have seen 24,800 offering it a very strong resistance, and since then the price is traded bearish. If you look at the move, the rise, the retracement, the rise might follow with a retracement. How low it can go, 24,600 is now going to remain the crucial support. It was the resistance earlier. While when you look at the near term time frames, rise retracement, and it is trying to deliver a breakout again. So if you see it is staying beyond 24,880, you can stay with the bias for 24,950, 25,000 mark as well. Though price is trading with divergence from 20 period here, but the 5 period itself is offering it a very good support for now. Stochastic overbought, MACD is at the top, the RSI is staying overbought as well. On the 2 hour, similar observation here as well. See slight consolidation trying to deliver a breakout. If you see it is staying beyond 24,880, we can expect it to move higher. We can expect it to in fact trade beyond 24,950, 25,000. 25,000 is one critical number which it would like to breach now. Moving averages are trading bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is at the top as well, RSI is staying overbought as well. Things are getting slightly overbought here. Look at the 3 hour charts. What has happened? Preceding candle comes with that flat top here. Going to be difficult. I'll definitely watch out for, if at all it shows a move beyond 24,880, and then you can stay with the bias from there. It could deliver the next round of bull run here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI at the top. On the 4 hour charts, if similar observation, rise, retracement, rise again, though it is delivering waves, it is still room for further rise towards 25,000 before it starts to recede. But I'll wait for it to take a direction here. You can see higher lows, higher highs here. If at all it trades beyond 24,880, you can stay with the buys here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still rising, the RSI rising as well. So on the 4 hour charts, still having lot much of room available on the upside. On the daily charts, look at the move here. Rise retracement, trying to break out again, trying to rise again. I'll wait for it to stay beyond 24,880. Only and only if it trades about 24,880, you can expect it to deliver the next round of rise. At the same time, notice a move below 24,840 and 24,800, or rather I'll say, if it trades below 24,840, you can expect 24,800, 780 as the first target zone, 24,740 as the second, and 24,700 as the third. Now it has got extremely crucial supports available till 24,700 mark. Notice what it is doing. And yes, it is definitely getting a good support there on the 15 minutes chart as well. And right now I'll wait for it to show a sign of a breakout. Things are though slightly overbought. And yes, on the daily charts, not to mention, see what it has done. It has breached past this top here. Ideally the double top should have a good resistance, should have been a good resistance. It has breached past this, which is still a good bullish indication. And now it appears it is waiting for a breakout move. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 24,880, we can initiate a buy. Stochastic getting overbought again, the MACD again trying to cross over for buy, RSI entering into overbought zone here as well. So considering this, now before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The next batch commences soon. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. And yes, we are running extremely lucrative discount on our occasion of our 5th anniversary. Do join it today. Those looking forward to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel here. And yes, it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now I will recommend you to buy. If you see it staying beyond 24,880, expect it to move towards 24,925, 25,000 rather. And this is going to be one psychological number which it would like to breach, because beyond 25,000 what lies ahead is 25,200, and then there should be a stronger rally for the entire month of October. Chances for which appears to be less, but yes, it is not willing to give up. It is not showing any signs of bearishness here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24,830. Expect 24,800, 780 as the first target, and very easily achievable and very good support as well. Then expect 24,740, and below that you can expect 24,700. Once it trades below 24,700, ideally I'll be looking forward to 24,600 mark here, and then the correction should begin all the way towards 24,400 in lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. If you see US 30 getting stronger resistance on the upside above 46,500, that is the only mark above which I'll recommend you to buy. At the same time, the support at 46,400, 350, 300 is very strong. So any move below 46,400, 300 definitely should be an indication for further down move here. Stochastic bearish, the MACD trying to cross over for sell again. The RSI almost staying flat. On the 2 hour charts, when you see Similar is the observation. See the drops, retracement, lower high. So possibly it might try to breach here. A drop below 46,400 is what you should take up seriously. Because below that 46,350, 300. Till 46,300, you have to exercise caution. Below 46,300, stay short. In fact, it can move towards 46,000 levels as well. Right now, I do not see such a breakout here. Stochastic looking down. The MACD still trading in green, looking upwards. RSI staying flat. On the 3-hour chart, look at the move here. Lower highs are seen. Wait for a trade below 46,400. Then you can take a sell from there. Till 46,400, do not jump into the selling entries. And then 46,350, 300 is still what you should watch out for. Stochastic at the top. MACD rising. RSI flat. On the 4-hour chart, see on the 4-hour charts, consolidation going on here. The lower highs are seen, yet it is not willing to give you a breakout. A move below 46,400 is what you should watch out for. And then you have to exercise caution till towards 46,300. Any move below 46,300 should take it all the way towards 46,200 and lower levels. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD crossed over and trading bullish right now. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, look at the preceding few moves, see the drop. Look at these candles here, comes with the tails here, and good swing is also with this swing. It has taken the support from 20 period and then has bounced back since then. So now for the day it is pretty crucial, because lower highs can mean further lower lows here. So you have to wait and watch. If it trades below 46,300, more bearishness should prevail from here. You can expect 46,200 and then 46,000 levels. Notice none of the candles here have closed above 46,500. That is very important sign here. This suggests still there is bearishness here in US 30. Stochastic at the top, the MACD still staying bearish here, and the RSI rising. So considering this, now what you should, I will recommend you to now buy if you see it is staying beyond 46 570 levels, or see this is too far. You can, in fact, this is 46,470. I will recommend you to buy at 46,470 levels. Expect 46,550, and if this is taken, I think we are looking forward to 46,700 and then 48,000 levels as well. 47,000 levels as well very soon. You have to wait and watch for it to deliver a breakout move. Till it fails to stay below 46,550, you should not be treating this as bullish for sure. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 46,400, but then 46,350, 300. Till 46,300, you have to exercise caution. Below 46,300, I think we should wait for a good drop towards 46,150 and then 46,000 levels here. Wait for it to trade below the critical support zone at 46,300, which will confirm further down move. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Germany 40. See, DAX is trading strongly bullish after the rise. It has taken the support from the 5-period moving average so far on the hourly chart. So it is pretty crucial for DAX to now trade below 24,200 in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Even if you now see it is staying below 24,240, take a sell for 24,220, the first target. And staying below 24,220, you can expect it to drop towards 24,180 and then lower levels. Right now it is not showing any weakness here. Stochastic at top, MACD crossing over here at the top, and the RSI is staying extremely overbought. Things are getting slightly overbought here for DAX, though it is not showing signs of reversal. But look at the preceding candle, it could be a reversal sign. If you see now DAX trading below 24,240, 220, 200 levels, you can definitely stay bearish from there. Stochastic cooling down, MACD rising, RSI overbought. Things are getting slightly overstretched here for DAX. Look at 3 hour. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, see it has formed a good base at 24,220. With that, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. So a move beyond 24,300, definitely you should watch out for. This should be a good confirmation for further up move. See, after the rise, it is plateaued here, and now a breakout might bring stronger bullish move. Though things are getting slightly overbought here, but it is not willing to give up as of now. On the 4-hour charts, also similar observation. See these two candles, double bottom and the rise. I'll wait for 24,300 levels to be taken in order to confirm further up move here. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely overbought, RSI extremely overbought. Things are getting overbought here. Look at the daily. On the daily chart, since consolidation, it is now willing to give you a breakout here. And now remember 24 400, 24 500, 24 600. Three key levels here for DEX to break beyond. We have got extremely stronger resistance here in this zone. You can see 24 400, 430, 460, 500. Four levels here in this single zone. Also now it is trading beyond the critical support at 24,200. That is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness. Notice DAX has formed a nice neck and now expanding here, so it might continue with the expansion move. Though the candle is outside Bollinger Bands and things are extremely overbought here, but the MACD and RSI on the daily charts still has room for further rise. So now considering this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 24,300 only. Expect it to move towards 24,345 and then 24,400. 370 actually is also one of the resistances, 24,375 and then 24,400. Any move beyond 24,400 is stay bullish for 24,500 plus levels, where we can see it hitting towards 24,560, 24,680 and then 24,800 as well very soon. Such a strong rise appears difficult, but yes, a little up move cannot be denied. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24,242.20 levels. This is going to be the strongest support. Expect 24,180, 170 as the first target, 24,140 at the next, and then 24,100. Below 24,100, stay short for 24K levels, and then it is going to crash hard all the way towards 23,800. Again, take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to FTSE 100. If you see FTSE 100 taking the support from 5-period moving average, delivering higher highs and higher lows. If you see it is staying below 9470, that is the level below which you can expect slight bearishness, and then you can expect 9460, 9550, 9450 levels. Any move below 9450 is a very good indication for the next down move. Else right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. Stochastic overbought. MACD also at the top, it is willing to cross over for a sell. RSI also staying overbought. Things are staying overbought on the smaller time frames, and hence a little pullback you should not be surprised with. Look at the 2-hour charts. This could have become reversal sign if with the current candle you see FTSE 100 trading below 946050. That is, if it reverses from the current levels, trades below 946050, this will be the confirmation of the downtrend towards 9420. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top, RSI staying extremely overbought. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Rise, retracement, again trying to deliver a breakout. It has created a nice step. I'll wait for the closure of the current candle. If at all it decides to trade below 946050, then confirm it is going to trade all the way towards 9420 and 9400 as well. Right now it is not showing such weakness, though things are overbought here on the 3-hour charts as well. And on the 4-hour charts as well, similar observation. So yes, it is looking upwards, trading bullish, and yes, it is trading overbought as well. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see, since consolidation it is trying to deliver a breakout, it has created a nice wave here, and see the bands are also expanding on the downside, and this is consistently putting pressure on the bands to expand. Now it appears it is going to be 9500 all the way, and at 9500 it will decide what it wants to do. Remember, the price is completely outside Bollinger Bands. It is definitely going to face the heat on the upside. It is going to be extremely difficult, and the resistances are going to stay strong. Things are overbought as well for FTSE 100, though the MACD is the one which has still got lot much of room on the upside. So what you can do now, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 9488, expect 9498. One possibility that it shies away from 9500 and reverses. But if at all it does trade beyond, stay bullish for 9510 and then 9526. Beyond this, 9542 should be there. I am not looking forward to such a rise, but yes, staying beyond 9542 is where you can say we are ready for a round of rally towards 9600 levels here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 9470, expect 9460, 9450. A drop below 9450, I think we are looking forward to a move towards 9420 and then 9400 mark as well, below which it is going to trade extremely bearish. Right now it is not showing signs of bearishness, it is looking upwards, but these are markets, anything and everything is possible. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates for the US indices. Watch that as well. Thank you.